So we got this situation to handle. A real valued function f of x satisfies the functional equation this. So the functional equation look like f of x minus y equals f of x f of y minus f of a minus x f of a plus y. Okay, and they have given you that f of 0 is 1. Okay, we will use this information to find out the result now. So look at this. First, you know that you have to find f of x. No, you have to find out this f of 2a minus x, and your function is following this functional equation. Now my point is, let's try to create this situation. These guys have given you that f of 0 is 1. So for time being, can I take x equals to y equals to 0? Okay, so that we can create f0 and we can use that f0 equals to 1. So we have, look at this, we have f0 equals f0 again f0 minus fa again fa. Now you know that f0 is 1. f0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 minus f of a ka square. So this thing gone. So can I say that f of a square equals to 0? This means f of a equals to 0. Done. So we got value of f of a. Now the point is, we have to calculate f of 2a minus x. Now look at this. Can I try to create 2a minus x over here? So what I want you to do is, in place of x, can you write a? So you have created a. Now you have to create 2a using y. So can I write y as x minus a? Now look at this. If you will do x minus y, don't you think you will have f of 2a minus x? Correct or wrong? Yes. Now let's proceed. So we will have f of 2a minus x, and look at this, what will happen to the remaining component. Okay, so it is equal to f of a into f of x minus a minus f of 0 into f of x, है ना? a plus x minus a gone. Now be super slow. Who is f of a? F of a is 0. You can take from here. So this thing will become 0. And f of 0 is 1. This thing is 1. So can I say that the required value is minus of f of x? Okay. So we were trying to calculate f of 2a minus x, and it comes out to be minus of f of x. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations as well. Okay.